Hi everyone. Today we're gonna deal computer MCQ questions for all competitive exams. Okay. I hope you watched the previous videos. If not, just go through it. First question is: the computer size was very large in which generation of the computer? The answer is first generation. Okay. In the first generation, the size of the computer is very large compared to the other generation. The chief component of first generation computer was. The answer is vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes are used in first generation of computer. Okay. In a mobile phone, SIM stands for subscriber identity module. Okay. What was the time period of the first generation of computers? What was the time period of first generation computers? That is 1946 to 1959. Okay. The processing speed of first generation computer was. The processing speed of first generation computer was milliseconds. Okay. A computer has four main parts. Is it true or false? A computer has four main parts. That is true. Okay. CPU controls the operation of all parts of the computer. CPU controls the operation of all part of the computer. That is true. Which one of the following program compresses large files into smaller files? Which one? WinZip. Okay. Which mode loads the minimum set of drivers when starting Windows? Which mode loads the minimum set of drivers when starting Windows? That is safe mode. Okay. Backup procedure helps in. Backup procedure helps in restoring the data files whenever there is a system crash. Okay. In MS Word, arrow keys can be used to. In MS Word, arrow keys can be used to move the cursor in the text that has already been entered. Okay. Which country has the highest number of internet users? Answer is China. How much data loss? Sorry, how much data does a standard floppy disk hold? How much data does a standard floppy disk hold? That is 1.44 MB. Okay. Fortran is called. Fortran is called formula translator. Okay. What does ISP stands for? What does ISP stands for? Answer is Internet Service Provider. Okay. A network topology in which all data passes through a central computer is. The answer is star topology. A device that converts a digital signal into an analog signal is called, that is a modem. What is the full form of NIC? Answer is Network Interface Card. What is the full form of TCP? Transmission Control Protocol. Which tool is used to erase a part of drawing? That is erase tool. Which area is used for typing and editing text? Answer is application. Which device is used in network layer in the following list of devices? It is router. Which keys are used either alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions? The answer is control keys. Which of the following should be used when you want to add slides to an existing presentation? The answer is insert and new slide. Okay. Shortcut key to create a new folder. The answer is Control plus Shift plus N. The objects on the slide which hold the text are. Answer is placeholders. Line spacing is available in which tab of MS Word? Answer is Home tab. To increase the line spacing, use shortcut key. The answer is Ctrl plus 5. The first bar of MS Word is The first bar of MS Word is title bar. In any window, minimize, maximize, and close button appear on, that is title bar. Okay. What is the use of home key? What is the use of home key? It moves the cursor beginning of the line. Okay. Which of the following is not an example of software? That is mouse. To move data from one part of the document to another, the following is used. The answer is cut and paste. Which of the following is the default page setup orientation of slides in PowerPoint? That is landscape. What is the full form of CU? CU means control unit. ALU stands for ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. Okay. What is the full form of MU? MU means memory unit. Okay. CPU consists of CPU consists of arithmetic logic unit and control unit. That is ALU plus CU. Among the options, you have to choose the best out of it. Okay. Actually, memory unit also there, but here the options given only on arithmetic logic unit and control unit. Okay. Next one. Before a disk can be used to store data, it must be formatted. Okay. Computer refresh shortcut key. Everyone knows that. F5. Okay. What is the use of shift plus delete? I have mentioned in the previous classes. Okay. It is for permanent delete. If we press only delete key, it will go to the recycle bin. So it comes the option for temporary delete. Okay. Here it is mentioned shift plus delete. So it is for permanent delete. You won't find the file in recycle bin. Okay. Control plus C. Control plus C is used for copy. Okay. Set of rules is known as protocol. The structure or format of data is called. The structure or format of data is called syntax. Okay. Keyboard is an example of Keyboard is an example of input device. Okay. RAM and ROM are the examples of storage device. Okay. Which of the following is types of RAM? Which of the following are types of RAM? SRAM and DRAM. So the options are both B, A and B. Okay. SRAM stands for SRAM stands for static random access memory. Okay. What is the full form of DRAM? DRAM means dynamic random access memory. Okay. The length of IP address is 32 bits. What is the full form of IP? IP means Internet Protocol. If I don't explain each and every question means you will get a question in the coming slides. Okay, don't worry about it. I will cover each and every question related to the examination point of view. Okay, I don't leave any one mark questions too. Okay, don't worry about it. What is the full form of OS? OS means operating system. What is the full form of DOS? DOS means disk operating system. Okay. Star is type of topology. That is true. Okay. Which of the following are modes of data transmission. That is all of the above. Simplex, halfplex, full duplex. Okay. Speaker is an example of simplex. Okay. Telephone network is an example of full duplex. Okay. Walkie-talkie is an example of halfplex. Okay. The length of IPv6. The length of IPv6 is, that is 128 bits. Okay. When we convert 1100 in decimal, the answer is 12. Okay. What is the base of decimal number system? What is the base of decimal number system? That is 10. Which would you choose to create a bar diagram? Which would you choose to create a bar diagram? That is insert and then go to the chart. Okay. Which generation of computer is still under development? Which generation of computer is still under development? That is fifth generation. Which is the default alignment in Word? That is left. Okay. Center the selected text. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus E. Ctrl Shift and Alt are dash keys. That is modifier keys. How do you display current date only in MS Excel? That is today. Okay. Which of the following should you use if you want all slides in a presentation to look same? It is a presentation design template. Okay. What is the shortcut key to highlight the entire column? That is Ctrl plus spacebar. A word in a web page, clicking on that word opens another document. That is hyperlink. Okay. Which key of keyboard is used to make letters either upper or lowercase? That is Shift. What would you use to watch video CDs? Windows Media Player. What is the full form of WMP? It is Windows Media Player. Which function is not there in MS Excel? That is average. What is the shortcut key to insert a new comment in a cell? Shift plus F2. What is the maximum font size you can apply to any character in a word? The maximum font size is 1638. Okay. Alt plus Y. Alt plus Y means go to the help tab. Okay, which is not the function of edit clear command. That is delete cells. Which chart can be created in Excel? All of the above. Okay. What is the full form of TXT? That is text. Gmail stands for Gmail stands for that is Google Mail. The computer displays the after processing the data, that is output. Which of the following shortcut key is used to add ruler to the drawing area? That is Ctrl plus R. Each memory location contains each memory location contains that is both A and B, that is address as well as contents. Okay. 1 millisecond is 1 millisecond is thousandth of a second. The chip used in the computer is made of. The chip used in the computer is made of, that is silicon. Which of the following memory should be refreshed several times per second? That is dynamic memory. I mean dynamic RAM. The average time required to reach a storage location in memory and obtain its contents is called, that is access time. The pattern of lines printed on most of the products is called, that is barcodes. Which one of the following is not an image or graphic file format? That is GUI. GUI stands for graphic user interface, right? Remaining three are file formats of image. Okay. Which unit is used to measure the speed of printer? That is pages per minute. Param is an example of supercomputer. Okay. What is the full form of PC? PC means personal computer. What is the full form of PDA? PDA stands for Personal Digital Assistant. Okay. C is known as C is a high-level programming language. BIOS is used by BIOS is used by operating system. Okay. What is the full form of BIOS? What is the full form of BIOS? That is Basic Input Output System. BIOS means Basic Input Output System. Which of the following is not considered as hardware? That is antivirus. Which can be used as watermark in a Word document. We can use the watermark as text or image. Okay, that is both A and B. Which type of computer is mostly used for automated operations? That is hybrid computer. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.